Hello everyone, and welcome to another hotel tour video. This time we'll be touring the Caesar Rewards Palace on the Las Vegas Strip. This is supposed to be a poolside view room. And we'll step into the restroom. They have their nice tiles. And of course their TP. Roomy toilet, plenty of hand towels to go around, and dual mirror and sink, perfect for multiple guests. And then we zoom in. Of course, you got your shampoo, conditioner, your lotion, hand soap, and mirror to help do makeup. And right here you have their awesome bathtub with amazing jets to help relax the muscles, and a full mirror. And right here, their shower. Pretty roomy shower with a tall shower head. As you step out of the restroom, you have a full body mirror, perfect for looking at your outfits. And step into the living area. You have your desk for your workspace if you need to do any work. You have the bed, a nice king size bed. And it's pretty comfy too. In the corner you have your couch, perfect for hanging out. Of course the TV, and walk into the snack bar. And nothing is free here, you do have to pay for everything display. And just take a peek into here. You have more water, some beer, liquor, energy drinks. Now walking to the view. I believe this is the lowest floor that gets the pool view. And it's not that great because you do have a ledge right here in the bottom, kind of blocking everything. So we did request another room to get a better pool view. And then you have the portrait right there in the corner. And pretty much an overall view of the room. So making the way down, here's the second room we requested. It's on a higher floor. And everything is pretty much the exact same thing. I do love the tile. Now let's walk again to the restroom. And this time a better view of the shower. And plenty of towels. More of the amazing bathtub. This is the reason why I love staying at the Caesars. It's for the bathtub alone. And right here I show you where the jet's at to activate them. They will only turn on when the water is a certain level. And just walk by of the sink again. Again, the exact same setup, just everything's flipped to the other side. And just to mention, Caesars Rewards Hotel is actually one of my favorite hotels to stay on the Strip. If you have a favorite hotel, just let us know in the comments below. Exact same portrait. It's pretty cute actually. And at the end of the video, we do show a better pool view from this room. It was kind of getting dark, so we didn't have time to do it right now. A nice hanging out spot right here. And just another view of the snack bar, just no big difference between what's displayed. I do recommend just going through the fridge, even though you probably won't buy anything, just in case they didn't clean the fridge well. So as you can see, someone left their leftovers for who knows how long. And there's a coffee machine. I was dying for those coffee machines to get back. That's how I like to start my mornings. And just a peek at the closet right here, just to show there's an iron board, iron, hangers, typical. So if you want to look sharp, keep your clothes neat. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and this is the first time doing the voiceover, so let us know how you like it. And forgive for any stuttering I did throughout the video. And thank you for watching. And take care.